All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good information. Today, we're going to be talking about Catzcoin. That's right, not the Dogecoin, but the Catzcoin. That's right, the kitty cat, Catzcoin. So this coin is up 2,700% in the last week. We're going to go show you that. We're going to go to the website. We're going to check it out. This coin claims to be for cat community, so for everybody who loves cats, but there seems to be a lot of good things going on with this increase of 2,700%, so I think everybody wants to know about that. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Also, we're going to talk about Tom Brady. Tom Brady threw his 600th touchdown pass, and guess what? The fan they got, Mike Evans caught the ball for a touchdown, and he threw it into the stands, and the fan caught it, gave it back to Tom Brady. They gave him, we're going to talk about all the kinds of things. Well, there's Bitcoin involved. That Tom Brady's giving away Bitcoin to fans. I mean, I told you that he was going to be talking all about cryptocurrency and he was going to be telling everybody about it. Now he's telling people about the Bitcoin. Well, I'm going to bring up that article and we're going to dig into that a little bit. So with that, we try to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, talk about it, and kind of educate everybody. So with that, let's jump over to Catzcoin. All right, over here at Coin Market, take a look. Catzcoin is ranked 3002, and yeah, like I was talking about, it's up 2700% in the last 7 days. I mean, that's a big jump there. And in the last 24 hours, it's up 2200%. What's going on with the little Dogecoin? Nope, not Dogecoin. With the Catzcoin. Well, take a look over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. There's only 4 zeros in this. There's 66.38 is the price. Over here to the right, you see it's up 22.13. We like to bring these kind of coins to you. Dogecoin's probably not going anywhere. I think the Catzcoin is going to be here to stay too. We're going to start talking about this because it does just make McDonald's and Burger King, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and now Catzcoin. You know it. Well, what does it have to say? So taking a look here, this coin was down here on October 29th, and just basically, it just jumped up here. It's going up, and over here there's this huge spike, and now it's really up a lot. Again, up 2,300%. What is the Catzcoin, everybody? It's got a market cap of 6.9 million right here. It says, what is Catzcoin? Launched on May 1st of 2021 by a team in Australia. Catzcoin is a community token that connects Cats fans from all over the world. Catzcoin will focus on the development of a number of cat-related initiatives as detailed out in the roadmap. There are no pre-sales, no investors, no pre-mine. Furthermore, the initial project liquidated has been locked on the Unicrypt. So the beginning Cats has been a product built for cats lovers. Our motto, by the cat, for the cat. And it always will be. So let's go ahead and jump over to Catzcoin's website. Well, it says an introduction to Catzcoin, a community of cat friends. We believe that all cats, regardless of gender, fur, color, breed, or size, deserve opportunity, love, and a home. Where can you buy this coin? You guessed it, right there at PancakeSwap. So you got PancakeSwap, Coinbase, CoinGecko. Take a look. Tells you right here our Cats Nation is global. Buy some cats and join us on social media. Buy on PancakeSwap right there, everybody. So we did it. We did create Catzcoin. Let's learn and grow and love together. So here we go. Cats fans. We are Cats fans who believe in the power to make real differences for the better living of all cats. We will donate 5% of the total supply to the charity to support abandoned and homeless cats. That's fantastic. Second is a champion here. We champion values inspired by the power of decentralized finance, Cats Swap, Cats Farm, and Cats Trading. The community, we do this with the power of a global Cats Nation community by working together for the good of all cats out there. And continuing here, how are we different? We are building a strong, lasting community for cat lovers. We are empowering cat lovers by providing them with an innovative solution on a decentralized finance. We're providing cat lovers the opportunity to make huge investment gains, but most importantly, we are growing a lasting community of cat lovers where meeting, conversation, and special memories can be shared. So with that, wanted to bring us a little figure. We bring on our little cat, Sophie. Sophie likes to basically be here when we're videotaping and stuff. So Sophie, say hi. So yeah, we love cats too. We're here to save the cats and more. Yes, we want the rival Dogecoin in the market capitalization and gains, but we also want the rival Dogecoin founder, otherwise known as, in the comment, to be forced for good. There's no value and joy in building a project based on greed. There's a tons of value and joy in building a project based on fun, and we are here to do that together for the entire cat community. We're a global, dedicated team. Today, the crypto world is a minefield, many new projects and scams and rug pull schemes, not cats. We want to grow the right way. We want to get the right people to lead the way. Our leadership team consists of experienced marketers, developers, strategic investors who will take cats to the moon. You got that one right, everybody. Take a look at that. The cats are going to the moon. Catzcoin X Tesla. Catzcoin is giving away 10 Teslas. A Tesla will be given away out every time cats increase its market capitalization by 10 million. The first Tesla will be a Model 3. We will upgrade the prize as we go. To participate in a lucky drawing, you will need to hold 20M CATS tokens or more. Find out more. So hey, take a look at that. You guys want to get a Tesla? You can do it. They're giving them away. Oh boy, I like this. And here we go. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Buy cats and win a car. Oh boy, everybody. How to win. Even if you don't win, think of the 300x gain here from just holding your cats. Terms and conditions. So yeah, every time they increase 100 million, they're going to be giving this away. Where can you buy the cats? That's right. Everybody always asks me where we can buy this stuff. Pancake Swap, right here, Pancake Swap. Well, the Catzcoin seems pretty good. So up 2,700% in the last 7 days and up 2,300% in the last 24 hours. Absolutely crazy going on. But let's talk about Tom Brady. So Tom Brady threw his 600 touchdown. Mike Evans catches it into the stands, and the fan gets it, gives it back to Tom Brady. He gets season tickets, the whole 9 yards. Fantastic. On Monday Night Football, Tom Brady, well, let's not steal the punchline. Here we go. Right here, Tom Brady says he gave the Buccaneers fan a Bitcoin to repay him for giving up the football for his 600th career touchdown. That's right, you get a Bitcoin here. Byron Kennedy is now something a local legend in Tampa after the weekend. You know, Tom Brady threw a 600th career touchdown, and Mike Evans basically, threw it up in the stands. And then right here on Monday Night Football with Peyton and Eli Manning, he was chipping away and gifting Kennedy a Bitcoin. So he gave him a Bitcoin just for basically giving him it back. I've been telling everybody that Tom Brady is going to basically let everybody know about cryptocurrency. Now he's giving out Bitcoins. Hey, here's his advertisement.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. Oh, how dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who was that?
That was my mom.
Oh. Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin? Sue, Mark.
Are you in? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in. All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting another dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
What we're providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto market with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
So that That's right. Tom Brady has been talking about it every single week in all the different markets. If you're watching football in Seattle, if you're watching it in Washington, if you're watching it in Buffalo and Pittsburgh, Florida, doesn't matter where you, San Francisco, no matter where you're watching it, Tom's coming on the tube. He's talking about he's doing this, he's doing that, he's getting into something. What's he getting into? Cryptocurrency. Now he's talking about doing a trade. Can he trade the ball for a Bitcoin, FTX? Can we do the trade? So guess what? This is pretty big, everybody. So when celebrities like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban and Tom Brady all want to pump the cryptocurrency, you want to definitely be like, hey, this is pretty cool. So everybody's going to start knowing about this. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So this Catzcoin, give me your opinion, what you think of it. I like it because Dogecoin's not going anywhere. Catzcoin seems like just a normal thing, up 2,700%. Definitely buy it on PancakeSwap. All our information is for educational purposes only, but we definitely love to share this information with everybody about cryptocurrency. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we usually bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once in a while, we're bringing you a bonus video Monday through Friday around 6 or 7 o'clock at night. If something pops real good and we want you to know about it, we'll bring you that. So, Catzcoin, cryptocurrency, I kind of like it. Tom Brady telling everybody about cryptocurrency, giving out Bitcoins, things he's getting into, all kinds of good things. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. We'll see you again tomorrow.